This is a Qt project include file. It's used in app development to organize project settings. It's a simple text file that you can view in any editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep PRI file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. Within its metadata, the PRI carries the flag for the setting configuration file classification. The file's organization is managed by the Qt Resource Index system. A PRI file is a Qt and binary resource file, primarily associated with the Qt application framework. It contains compiled resource data, such as images, translations, and other assets, that are embedded directly into a Qt application. This allows for efficient deployment and access to resources without relying on external files at runtime. PRI files are generated by the Qt Resource Compiler, QRC. The compiler takes a .qrc file, which lists the resources to be included, and produces a binary file optimized for fast loading. The format is specific to Qt and designed for seamless integration with the Qt resource system, providing a platform-independent way to manage application assets. Technically, the best program for PRI is usually Qt SDK from the Qt company. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows provides a basic view of configuration data, but meaningful edits require technical familiarity. This is the first diagnostic step. Right-click your PRI file and click Open With. Test with Qt SDK first. If it's not there, choose a different application. Sometimes a generic viewer works better. If you still can't open the PRI file, it's okay. The problem with this PRI file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, recognize the file type. Understand that PRI files are resource index files used by modern Windows applications, UWP, and are not meant to be opened manually. Next, use Windows SDK. If a developer, use the Windows Software Development Kit, SDK, and the associated tools to manage the app resources. Finally, run system scans. If errors are associated with system apps, run System File Checker, SFC, Scano, to scan for and repair damaged Windows components. When no common method works, the file's resistance requires a tool engineered for maximum compatibility with unusual formats. It's your best option. Final recommendation, FileMagick. It's the universal file viewer that fixes the PRI format every time. Visit FileMagick.com to download now. Remember to always back up your original files first. Got a related question? Post it in the comments, and please consider subscribing to the channel.